Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm making my lunch. So today I've already got my potato on in the pan here, browning up nicely. I'm just going to turn those and then I'll show you what they're looking like. So this is just one medium potato sliced up and popped in here with a little bit of oil to cook up. So hang on, there we go. There's my potato browning up nicely. Can you see that? Beautiful. So to that I'm going to add some asparagus, and I love asparagus. I get really excited when I see it in the supermarket. So I've got about 5 spears of asparagus here, just breaking off the ends. And I've also got another pan over here that you can't see because this one's too big, but it's just got some water in it boiling ready because I'm going to do some poached eggs as well. So I'm just going to throw my asparagus in there with a nice hiss. Turn that down a little bit. And once we've got this water boiling, we're going to poach some eggs. It's pretty simple, this dish. It's asparagus with potato, baby spinach, poached eggs on top, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. I don't know what it's called, I just call it asparagus with potato and poached eggs. I really enjoy it. It's a nice, simple, easy lunch. It's nutritious. It's good for you. Lots of veggies, potato in there to give you a bit of good, healthy starch. And I don't peel the potato, I cook it with the skin on. So it's all going in there. So we're just waiting for this water to boil. And we're just going to keep stirring the asparagus around a little bit. Perfect. So once that water's boiled, I'm going to pop my eggs in there to poach, and I'm going to throw my baby spinach in with the asparagus and potato mixture to wilt down. And then I'm going to eat my lunch. Alright, so we're nearly there. Keeping it going. Making sure that asparagus and potatoes are not sticking and burning. And my potatoes looking nice and crispy, so that's good. Did I say a little bit of olive oil? I think I did. Alright, so we're nearly there. Perfect. That asparagus is coming along nicely. Beautiful. So I've just got some handy towel here I'm going to put down on my chopping board ready for when my eggs come out. There's nothing worse than taking out poached eggs when they're covered in water and make your food all soggy. I'll get my slotted spoon out ready as well. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to pop those eggs in. So I've got them cracked in little bowls ready to go rather than make a mess trying to do it. One. And there goes the other. Perfect. Get rid of those. My eggs are poaching away. So into here I'm going to add some baby spinach, which I want to wilt down. I don't want to overcook it too much. I want those eggs to be a little bit more cooked before I add the spinach in. Perfect. I've got a handy towel in my bag of spinach because I was watching something on Facebook the other day, and a nutritionist said to make your bags of baby spinach and lettuce last longer, put a handy towel in after you've opened them, and that absorbs any extra moisture and stops them from going off too quickly. So I thought that was a really handy hint. So I started doing that, and it seems to work. So I'm going to put a good kind of couple of handfuls of the baby spinach in here. It does cook down quite a bit, so If it looks like a lot, it's not really. So we're cooking that down. Just going to roll my eggs around a bit. Make sure they're cooking evenly. Perfect. There's my tongs. There's my tongs. So I'm just going to toss this. Oops, tossed it out. So there's my spinach. I'm just tossing it around a little bit so it just wilts down a little bit. A bit that's falling out, coming in here. There we go. Beautiful. And it's starting to wilt down quite nicely. You can hear it sizzling away. I haven't used a lot of olive oil in here, just enough so it doesn't stick. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. Alright, how are those eggs looking? Alright, they look pretty good. So I'm just going to bring my chopping board over and I'm just going to drain those out onto my handy towel. The extra water is not going to go in my food. I'm going to get rid of that. So here's my bowl. So I'm just going to pop that in there. So you can see that there's some lovely potato, asparagus. This baby spinach has gone in there as well. I'm going to get it all out and get it all in there. Alright, so that is in my bowl, ready to go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add my poached egg to that, just in there, like so. I've got some Parmesan cheese here, so just a little sprinkle of Parmesan cheese on top there, just to make it tasty. And that is it. That is my lunch. So I'm just going to grab the iPad and give you a bit of a close-up on what that looks like. Hang on, it's a bit shiny. Try over here. Oops, too far away. There we go. So it looks kind of like that. I'll take a photo. And that's my lunch for today. So enjoy. I hope you do. I do. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.